A shared house runs on 3 questions. What did we agree? Who owes whom? And whose turn is it? Most houses answer all 3 in a group chat, which has no totals, no structure, and no memory anyone can search at the moment it matters. This kit answers them in one file the house owns. 10 connected tabs, a roster, a 26-term house agreement, a shared expense log, a settle-up that names who pays whom, a chore rotation that fills itself in, a shopping list, a house reference, and a dashboard that calculates the whole month. Plus 4 PDF guides, 53 pages. Start on house setup. It's the only tab that has to be right. Names, rooms, each person's rent share, and each person's share of the bills. Every drop-down, every split formula, the chore rotation, and the whole dashboard read this one table. It checks your shares add up and tells you if they don't. Then sit down together with the house agreement. 26 terms across 8 areas already drafted. Rent and bills, the deposit, quiet hours, guests, chores, pets, parking, moving out, and how the house handles a disagreement. You read each one out, change the wording until it's true for your house, and mark it agreed with who confirmed it and the date. It's a written understanding between housemates. It is not a lease, and it is not legal advice. Now the money, 1 row per shared cost and 4 ways to split it. Equally among everyone, equally among just the people you name. For the streaming plan 3 of you are on, by each person's rent share, for electric and heating, or charged entirely to one person for when you fronted somebody else's cost. 6 columns work out every share instantly, and the check column adds them back up against the amount, so a misspelled name can't quietly leave someone uncharged. This is the payoff. Settle Up works out what each person actually paid out against what they actually owed, and the difference. Then it turns those balances into transfers. Everyone who owes pays everyone who is owed, in proportion to what each is owed, so every figure is explainable in a sentence. In this example house, Priya sends $476.51 to Nadia and $417.80 to Marcus. The totals prove every dollar paid is a dollar received. Chores work the same way. Set the Monday it starts, and 8 weeks build themselves, stepping each job onto the next person every time it comes round, and respecting whether it's weekly, every 2 weeks, or monthly. Underneath, it counts the turns and flags anyone carrying more than a fair share. Nobody has to run it. Open the included link, click Make a Copy, and share one Google Sheet with the whole house, or use it in Excel or LibreOffice. Either way, the file belongs to the house, not to an app. Nobody needs an account, and when someone moves out, they take a copy, not a login. It's at ardentworkshop.com.